To use Apple Pay contactless payment, start by ensuring your device is compatible, such as an iPhone or Apple Watch. Next, you need to add a credit or debit card to the Wallet app on your device. Open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Then follow the prompts to add your card information. You may be asked to verify your card with your bank, which can be done through their website or by phone. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay to make contactless payments. To do this, hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. On an Apple Watch, double-click the side button to authenticate. You will know the payment is complete when you hear a beep and see a check mark on the screen. You can also use Apple Pay within apps and on websites. Look for the Apple Pay button at checkout and tap it to complete your purchase. You will be asked to authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. To get the most out of Apple Pay, make sure to keep your device and cards up to date. You can do this by going to the Wallet app and tapping on the card you want to update, then following the prompts. You can also remove a card from the Wallet app if you no longer want to use it with Apple Pay. For security, Apple Pay does not store your actual card number on your device or on Apple servers. Instead, it uses a unique device account number that is stored on your device and is used to make payments. This means that your actual card number is never shared with merchants, adding an extra layer of security to your transactions. In addition to security, Apple Pay also offers convenience and rewards. You can use Apple Pay at millions of locations, including stores, restaurants, and online retailers. You can also earn rewards and cash back on your purchases, depending on the card you use with Apple Pay. Overall, using Apple Pay contactless payment is a simple and secure way to make purchases. By following these steps and keeping your device and cards up to date, you can take advantage of the convenience and rewards that Apple Pay has to offer.